Excite your future World Cup star with this colorful kid-sized soccer set perfect for your own backyard. Great for learning the fundamentals of soccer, while improving motor skills, coordination and social skills. Constructed of heavy-duty metal. Flip goal over to adjust the height of the net. Easy to disassemble for storage and portability. Includes one goal with net, one soccer ball and one pump. Top reviews from the United States. Great little net. This little soccer net was quick and easy to assemble, the directions are straightforward and everything was labeled accordingly. It took maybe 10 minutes from box opening to fully set up. The smaller size makes it easy to fit on our deck. The kids, ages 2 and 6, love that they can kick, throw all of their balls in the net and retrieve them without getting tangled up. Perfect for our needs. Absolutely recommend.